Alright, here we have a General Electric Superthrust air conditioner. This isn't mine. I wish it was though, it's pretty cool. This is Nate's. He picked this up out of I believe it's an abandoned freaking building. They were selling this on Marketplace, and this thing was like in the wall. He told me that it was barely in there, and it was, well, the wall he pulled it out of was barely hanging on, pretty much. But yeah, this is probably a 60s era GE product. Has the same kind of stuff like the not the Carry Cool, but the other one. It's the one with the round vents on the top of it. I forget what it's called at the moment, but yeah. It has those spiny fins, like old GE stuff did at this time. Not sure how big BTUs it is. It doesn't have a sticker on it anywhere anymore. Or maybe it does, I don't know. No, not really. But yeah, these GE Superthrust units are kind of childhood. Not this one specifically. The later ones from the 70s with the wood panel on them. The restaurant my mom worked at had one of those and the wall. And I remember it was always running in the summertime. That thing actually kept that restaurant really cool too, considering the central air hardly ever worked in that place. But yeah, let's turn it on. Not sure. There it goes. Thing works like a champ. Guess we can do an outside look at it. Here's the outside. It's kind of a childhood thing. I want to see if it's here. Works pretty good. Pretty neat. So yeah, thanks for watching.